Hello children, I am giving you some important tips to solve word problems based on quadratic equations. This is a problem based on word problems of a quadratic equation. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the two subjects. In such type of problems, we always search what is required. We are required to find her marks in two subjects. There are two subjects, mathematics and English. First of all, we will assume that marks in mathematics is x and marks in English is y. We have given that marks in mathematics and English is 30, means x plus y equal to 30. This is according to question. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics? Initially marks in mathematics were x, 2 marks more, that is x plus 2. New marks in mathematics will be x plus 2. And 3 marks less in English. Initially marks in English were by, 3 marks less means by minus 3. Then what happened? Then the product of their marks would have been 210. So product of x plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to 210. Now we have to remove by, so it will be converted into one variable. We are already given that x plus y equal to 30. So what is by? By equal to 30 minus x, by transferring x towards right side. So x plus 2 replacing by 30 minus x. So 30 minus x minus 3, 210, or x plus 2, 30 minus 3, 27 minus x minus 210 equal to 0. Transferring 210 towards left hand side. Now multiply. So x into 27, 27x, x into x minus x square, 2 into 27, 54 minus 2x minus 210 equal to 0. So this is minus x square, 27x minus 2x, 25x, and minus 210 plus 54 minus 156 equal to 0. Multiplying by minus both sides. So x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Factors of 156, 3 into 2 into 2 into 13. So 3 into 4 is 12 and into 13, and 13 plus 12, 25. So x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. Or taking x as common, x minus 13, 12 as common, x minus 13 equal to 0. X minus 13, x minus 12 equal to 0. The product of x minus 13 and x minus 12 is 0. So either one of them should be 0. So when x minus 13 equal to 0, x equal to 13. And when x minus 12 equal to 0, x equal to 12. When x equal to 13, y equal to 30 minus 13, that is 17. When x is equal to 12, y equal to 30 minus 12 equal to 18. So final answer, marks in mathematics, that is x. X is 12 and 13. 12 and 13. So marks in English, when x equal to 12, y equal to 18. So 12 and 18. And second answer, when x is equal to 13, y equal to 17. So 13 and 17. So there are two sets of answer, 12 and 18 or 13 and 17. Let us verify. First answer, marks in maths 12 and English is 18. 12 and 18. So according to the question, 2 marks more in maths, that is 12 plus 2, this is 14, and 3 marks less in English, 18 minus 3 equal to 15. Product 15 into 14, 210. So this set of answer is correct. Second set of answer, 13 and 17. Math 13, English 17. So 2 more marks in mathematics, that is 13 plus 2 equal to 15. And 3 marks less in English, 17 minus 13. 15 into 14. Here it was 14 and 15 and here 15 and 14. So product will be the same. So it means the both set of answers are correct. Next question is, a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So first of all, what is required in the question? Find the speed of the train. So we will assume that speed of the train is speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Now time taken by the train to travel 360 km, we know that speed equal to distance upon time. So time equal to distance upon speed. What is distance? 360 km. And what is speed? X kilometer per hour. So this is the time in hour. Now it is given that if the speed 5 km per hour more, so new speed will be 5 km per hour more. Initially it was x, so 5 more, that is x plus 5 km per hour. Now time taken by the train to travel 360 km with this speed, this will be again distance upon speed. Distance is same, that is 360, and speed has become x plus 5. Since speed has been increased, so definitely this time will be less by this time. And how much it is less? 1 hour. This is given in the question. So 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5. This time is difference is 1 hour. Or you can take 360 as common. 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1. Or we can take LCM x plus 5. So this is x plus 5 minus x is equal to 1. This x and this x will be cancelled. So 360 into 5 is equal to, taking denominator to the right side, so it will be this into 1, that is x into x plus 5, or x into x plus 5 is equal to 360 into 5 multiply x square plus 5x, 360 into 5, 1800 equal to 0. Factors of 1800 are 20 into 2 into 45. 20 into 2, 40 into 45. And the difference between 45 and 40 is 5. So x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 equal to 0. X common, x plus 45 minus 40 common, x plus 45 equal to 0. X plus 45, x minus 40 equal to 0. Product of these two is 0. So either x minus 40 equal to 0 or x plus 45 equal to 0. So when x minus 40 equal to 0, x equal to 40. And when x plus 45 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 45. Speed cannot be negative. So answer will be x equal to 40 kilometer per hour. So answer is speed of the train 40 kilometer per hour. Now we have to verify it. In first case, when the speed was x means that is now it is 40, so 40. This is 9 hour. Time in first case is 9 hour, and second case when the speed has been increased by 40 to 45. So this is equal to 8 hour. So clearly you can say the time difference is 1 hour.